flowers.
Yeah. Yeah.
So these are houses or condos?
Both.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they do look nice.
Very luxurious.
Yeah.
You see, those places are very nice, but they're far from the ocean.
Mm.
Yeah.
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 I mean, if you live there,
Yeah.